If you're tired of messy HDMI cables running across your room or office, then it's time to go wireless. In today's video, we'll look at the top 5 best HDMI wireless extenders that deliver high-definition video, smooth streaming, and rock-solid connectivity, all without the tangle of cables. So let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the Hagibis G6W HDMI wireless extender. The Hagibis G6W HDMI wireless extender redefines the way multiple devices connect to a single display, offering unmatched versatility and convenience. Designed to support a many-to-one mode, it allows up to 8 transmitters to connect to a single receiver simultaneously, enabling seamless sharing of multiple screens without interference. This feature makes it ideal for classrooms, conference rooms, or home entertainment setups where multiple inputs need to be managed efficiently. One of the standout features of the G6W is its HDMI plus VGA dual-screen output, which also includes a 3.5mm audio jack. Users can freely choose to output to all interfaces at once or individually. The transmitted signal maintains ultra-low latency, ensuring smooth real-time playback even for 3D video content at 1080p resolution. This makes it suitable for high-definition streaming, gaming, or professional presentations without any lag or quality loss. The device operates without relying on Wi-Fi, allowing you to place a TV or monitor up to 50 meters away from the source. Connecting the transmitter to a set-top box, gaming console, or other HDMI device, and the receiver to a display is straightforward and flexible. Its plug-and-play design means setup takes less than 20 seconds. Simply connect the transmitter to the HDMI source, the receiver to the HD TV or projector, and start streaming immediately using standard 802.11 5 GHz wireless. Compatibility is broad, supporting devices with HDMI outputs directly or those requiring a converter. From laptops, PCs, and MacBooks to iPads, gaming consoles, PS4/5, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and cable or satellite receivers, the G6W can wirelessly stream true 1080p high-definition 3D video and digital audio. Movies, TV shows, and gaming content can now be enjoyed on a secondary display without cumbersome cables or complex setups. This wireless extender combines efficiency, high performance, and user-friendly design to create a flexible and reliable solution for connecting multiple devices to a single display in any environment. Next up, at number 4, we have the Lemorele HDMI wireless extender. The Lemorele HDMI wireless extender is designed to simplify your multimedia setup, offering seamless wireless transmission without complicated installations. With a true plug-and-play design, the transmitter and receiver automatically pair within 5 seconds after connection, ensuring immediate use with any HDMI device. Both units are powered via plug-and-charge functionality, eliminating the need for extra adapters or cables. This extender supports long-range transmission of up to 165 feet, providing flexibility in room layouts. However, when signals pass through walls or other obstacles, the effective range may reduce to around 32 feet. One of its standout features is the ability to manage multiple transmitters. Up to 8 TX units can connect to a single RX, allowing one-click switching for easy connection and disconnection. For individual use, one TX pairs with one RX at a time, and multiple receivers cannot connect to a single transmitter simultaneously. The Lemorele HDMI wireless extender delivers crisp, vivid visuals at 1080p resolution with a 60 Hz refresh rate, ensuring excellent clarity for movies, presentations, and gaming. Its built-in 5G smart chip provides stable performance and reduces interruptions, making wireless HDMI transmission more reliable than ever. Whether for home entertainment or professional use, this device combines convenience, performance, and flexibility, offering a modern solution for wire-free HDMI connectivity. Taking the third spot is the Hagibis K1 HDMI wireless extender. The Hagibis K1 HDMI wireless extender redefines the way you experience screen mirroring, offering a seamless and user-friendly solution for both work and entertainment. Designed with a smart visual indicator, it provides real-time feedback on signal strength and connection status, ensuring that users can easily identify and troubleshoot connectivity issues. 1 to 2 bars indicate a weaker signal, while 3 bars confirm a strong connection, and the varying flash patterns offer instant insight into transmission activity. Setting up the Hagibis K1 is effortless thanks to its driver-free plug-and-play HDMI interface, allowing for instant point-to-point screen mirroring without any technical hassle. Its newly upgraded 5.8 GHz dual-band protocol enhances interference resistance, delivering faster, more stable image transmission even in environments with multiple electronic devices. This ensures that presentations, movies, and gaming sessions are displayed with minimal latency and maximum clarity. With a wireless range of up to 50 meters, supported by 2 external high-performance antennas, the K1 is ideal for large conference rooms, offices, or spacious homes. Whether you're projecting a presentation across a boardroom or streaming media in your living room, the extended range guarantees a reliable connection. The extender also prioritizes audio-visual synchronization, providing rich, detailed sound that complements the visual experience. A convenient 3.5mm, 5mm audio port on the receiver allows connection to external speakers or headphones, further enhancing immersive sound quality. Blending high-speed transmission, long-range capability, and user-centric design, the Hagibis K1 HDMI wireless extender transforms the way you share and enjoy digital content, offering a smooth, reliable, and immersive viewing experience wherever you need it. Coming in at number 2 is the Lemorele G500 HDMI wireless extender. The Lemorele G500 HDMI wireless extender is a versatile conference screencasting system designed to simplify wireless content sharing. With this system, laptops and other devices can transmit content effortlessly to conference all-in-ones, projectors, or TVs through an HDMI transmitter and receiver. Both the transmitter and receiver are independently networked, ensuring high-quality screencasting without relying on an external wireless network or cumbersome cables. The G500 comes with a smart storage and charging box that holds the HDMI transmitter, allowing it to charge automatically when placed in the compartment. The intelligent chip controls ensure overcurrent, overvoltage, and overload protection, and charging stops automatically when full. The transmitter features a built-in 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing 3.5 to 4 hours of continuous wireless operation, eliminating the need for an external power source. Equipped with 2.4G/5G high-performance Wi-Fi modules, the G500 supports a straight-line transmission distance of up to 50 meters, suitable for university classrooms or large-scale corporate meetings. The system allows multiple computers to share their screens simultaneously, supporting up to 8 transmitters that can be switched with a simple button press. Even with multiple transmitters active, the system maintains a resolution of 1080p at 60 Hz, which is ideal for projectors, whiteboards, or TVs up to 200 inches. With its intelligent design, wireless flexibility, and robust connectivity, the Lemorele G500 HDMI wireless extender provides a seamless and efficient solution for modern meeting and presentation environments. And finally, our top pick, the Ugreen CM506 HDMI wireless extender. The Ugreen CM506 HDMI wireless extender is designed to simplify high-quality video and audio transmission over long distances. Supporting both HDMI and VGA outputs, it provides versatile compatibility for a wide range of devices. The transmitter connects to laptops, desktops, PS5/PS4, or Nintendo Switch, while the receiver is compatible with projectors, monitors, and TVs, allowing seamless integration in various setups. Equipped with a 3.5mm audio port, the CM506 can also transmit audio to compatible external devices, expanding its usability for presentations, entertainment, and teaching scenarios. The device utilizes a point-to-point connection, ensuring that one transmitter communicates directly with one receiver. This setup enhances transmission accuracy and stability, resulting in smooth and reliable video projection without interruptions. The CM506 supports 5 GHz wireless transmission, leveraging advanced signal enhancement technology to maintain stable and low-latency streaming. Users can enjoy uninterrupted video projection with minimal delay, screen flicker, or freeze, even when transmitting over long distances. Its high-performance dual external antennas ensure stable connectivity up to 50 meters, making it ideal for classrooms, offices, or home setups where distance between devices can be a challenge. The multi-interface design of the CM506, including HDMI, VGA, and 3.5mm audio ports, allows flexible connections to various display and audio devices. Whether it's projecting a presentation in a conference room, streaming games on a large screen, or connecting to external speakers, this wireless extender offers a convenient and efficient solution for wire-free media transmission over significant distances. With its combination of long-range capability, wide compatibility, and stable 5 GHz wireless transmission, the Ugreen CM506 HDMI wireless extender brings a reliable, high-quality, and flexible solution to any multimedia setup.